my channel. My name is Rashonda King. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, for today's episode, we are going to make a Mickey Mouse diaper cake. I did a baby shower and the theme was Mickey Mouse, so I want to present the same mom who I did the decorations for. I want to present her with a diaper cake for her son. So that's why I'm doing it based off of Mickey Mouse. So I'm gonna let you know the things that you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need diapers, of course. I have them rolled up with a rubber band around them. You are going to need some shred to decorate your diaper cake with. Rubber bands, this is what you're wrapping the diapers with. Paper towel holder. This is a cake. I have a pack of cake boards, so that's gonna be my base. 2 different color ribbon. Now, this is what I use in the centerpiece for the Mickey Mouse baby shower, and I also have videos of those decorations posted, so I am going to leave a link below so that you can watch that video and just see how those decorations turned out. But this was something that I made for the centerpiece. I'm going to use this to help decorate my diaper cake. I also have this little Mickey that I made. I got this palette here from Dollar Tree, and I just covered it with like a sticky foam glitter paper, and that's how I made this. I probably didn't use this in the decorations because sometimes I just go overboard making stuff, but this was something I had left over from the baby shower. I have a little pacifier that I'm gonna use, and the diaper cakes that I saw on Pinterest, you can actually put more gifts. You can include more gifts in your diaper cake. I'm just gonna kind of decorate it, but you can include little gifts for the baby, anything you choose to decorate it with. And not only will they be getting diapers, they'll be getting little gifts that their babies can use. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Wait, let me not forget. I'm gonna get the scissors, a X-Acto knife, my hot glue gun. So that's what I'm going to use to help me put this project together. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm going to take my cake circle and my paper towel holder, and I'm going to hot glue these 2 items together, making sure I have this in the center. Now for the topper, I took a Mickey Mouse. I took my little Mickey Mouse centerpiece piece and wrapped it in a diaper so that I can just easily just slip it into the paper towel. Off camera, I added my decorative shred to each layer of my cake. I also added a bow down here at the bottom. And just so you know, I end up using 59 diapers. Now I will say my diaper cake is kind of small, so if you wanted to make yours a little bit bigger, you can. But because my base kind of had like a golden glitter to it, so I did want some of that to show. So I probably could have made my cake a little bit bigger, but I kept it small. Let me know what you think about this diaper cake. Comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Thank you for viewing my video. Until I see you next time, bye.